Hi to everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See this problem, here 3 voltage sources are given here, one resistor 3 ohms is given. Now asking that how to find power dissipated by the resistor and power supplied by the each source in the given circuit. Now observe circuit carefully here. So all are in series. So you observe carefully here, this is the current direction given here. So for this voltage, the current direction is from positive to minus, means this current direction. So for this voltage also from positive to negative. So this is the current direction, but it is in the reverse connection. It is in the reverse connection. Now this is the 3 ohms resistor. Now these two act as the sources and these two act as the opposite side. That means 12 volts plus this voltage source, that is minus 8 volts, that's equal to this voltage source 10 volts plus the voltage drop across 3 ohms, that is 3I according to Ohm's law. Why it was written here means it was current reverse, that is plus minus, the current direction is reverse actually. So I am considering this current direction, based upon that these two sources will be one side and will be another side. Now from this 12 minus 8 nothing but 2, it becomes here minus 10, this is 4, 12 minus 8 that is 4, minus 10 that's equal to 3I. So 3I equal to minus 6, so I equal to minus 2 amperes. This is the current in the circuit. Now we know that power formula, that is power formula P equal to I square R. R power formula is product of voltage into current. So at this step we don't know what is voltage drop, but we know the current. Now use this formula, we will get power dissipated at resistor 3 ohms. That is power at 3 ohms, that's equal to I square is nothing but minus 2 whole square into R is 3 ohms, so nothing but 12 watts. Next, power in minus 8 volts. Use this formula, voltage is minus 8 and current is minus 2, so that's equal to 16 watts. Next, power in 12 volts. Voltage is 12 and current is minus 2, nothing but minus 24 watts. Next, power in 10 volts. Voltage is 10, current is minus 2, nothing but minus 20 watts. So the power dissipated at 3 ohms we got 12 volts, and these are the corresponding voltage power at voltage sources. So at this we have 16 watts, at 12 volts we have minus 24 watts, at 10 volt source we have minus 20 watts. So these are the power sources and this is the power dissipated at 3 ohms resistor. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.